Take a look at our deluxe window package features. This is the most advanced window system. Our frames are really sleek with even sight lines, so they maximize daylight opening. An architectural bevel is added to accent the exterior portion of the frame, which create a very rich look and feel. Details like our integrated pull rails make our window easy to operate from either side. Screens with ultra-fine screen fibers giving you a better view that prevents dust from sticking. Slim auto locks. This window is designed for energy efficiency, which will save you money on your heating and cooling. It is ENERGY STAR approved. Ultimately, it will make your home more comfortable. The dual glazed glass system is separated by a 1-inch pocket, gets slow filled with argon gas and 3 layers of low E-glass. Then an intercept IG spacers engineered to seal the 2 panes of glass acting as a hinge when glass flexes with temperature changes. This also stops moisture from getting between a dual glazed glass system. Older technology had this issue. This is why we're able to give a lifetime warranty against glass failure like this. Additionally, there's a silver oxide coating applied to prevent harmful UV rays from damaging inside furniture. Slim auto locks. Our window is engineered with security in mind. Reinforced check rails with iron, making it almost impossible to pry open with our interlocking system. With our 3/16 tempered glass pane along with a double-strength interior pane makes this a stronger window than basic window packages. Positive action locks are cleverly hidden from outside view. Our window also includes child safety features with dual vent latches that also allow customers additional security against intruders. Welded mitered corners that provide the strength necessary for our advanced glass system. To make sure our sliding windows are super easy to operate, we use 4 concaved rollers precisely designed 3 times stronger than competitors. Wheels are designed to roll on top of a stainless steel monorail track. Other styles of windows, such as casement and vertical hung windows, have industrial strength hardware to ensure easy operation. This window includes features that are important to customers, like weep hole covers to allow water to drain and reduce dust and wind infiltration into your home. Get unbeatable deals and unparalleled quality. Our team is dedicated to answering all of your questions, ensuring your utmost satisfaction. When you choose us, you'll appreciate our knowledge and professionalism. We strive to make your experience hassle-free, ensuring every step of the process is seamless and enjoyable. Contact us today to schedule a Zoom or FaceTime consultation, or book an appointment at your home by clicking the link below. Experience the excellence of Top of the Trades.
Top of the trades, home remodel.